Hello friends, today in this video we will learn 20 lines on the earth. So let's start. The earth is our home planet. It's the third planet from the sun. It's the only known planet with life and water. Earth's surface is 71% water and 29% land. Our planet is unique and special in the universe. We have oceans, rivers and lakes. The earth has mountains, valleys and plains. Earth's atmosphere protects us from harmful sun rays. It takes 24 hours for the earth to rotate. It takes 365 days for the earth to orbit the sun. The earth has seasons: summer, winter, spring and autumn. The earth's weather changes every day. We have day and night because of the earth's rotation. The earth is home to many living things. We must take care of the earth. We should plant trees and save water. The earth's resources are limited. We should not pollute the air, water or land. We should keep our planet clean and green. Let's love and protect our earth. Thank you for watching.